Providing students with personal, timely feedback is very important and very time consuming. You can save yourself a lot of energy by providing student feedback through the Google Classroom mobile app. I'm going to go ahead and pick a course, head over to the classwork page, and select an assignment that I need to grade. I'm going to pick a student, but rather than typing my response, I'm going to use the built-in dictation tool for my device. This is available for all Android and iPhones to verbally dictate my response, which will go into the comment box, which I can quickly post. This saves me a tremendous amount of energy and allows you to provide my students with consistent, timely feedback.